March 1974, Lamborghini began the mass production of the Countach at its Sant'Agata Bolognese factory. This legendary model remained in production for an impressive 16 years, forever changing the company's history. It was the first Lamborghini where both the bodywork and interiors were made entirely in-house. This innovative step, now a long-standing tradition at Lamborghini, was groundbreaking at the time. To celebrate this iconic car's 50th anniversary, Lamborghini brought back the first Countach LP 400 to its original assembly line, which now produces the Lamborghini Revuelto, for a nostalgic photo shoot. The journey of the Countach started in 1971, when the LP 500 prototype debuted at the Geneva Motor Show. Its immediate popularity led to the decision to develop it into a production model. However, it took 3 years of meticulous development and testing to create the production-ready Countach LP 400. One of the biggest changes for Lamborghini during this time was the decision to make the car's bodywork at its factory, as prior to this, bodywork was done by external coach builders. This in-house production was a pivotal move that contributed to Lamborghini's growth. The Countach was built in a factory that had initially opened in the mid-1960s, covering 12,000 square meters. Although the factory has since grown significantly, expanding to 346,000 square meters today, the original assembly line where the Countach was built remains in use, now assembling the Revuelto, Lamborghini's 12-cylinder plug-in hybrid car. While the materials and processes have evolved, with aluminum giving way to carbon fiber and modern assembly techniques, the passion and care of Lamborghini's craftsmen remain unchanged. The Countach paved the way for future Lamborghini models, introducing several features that are still found in today's cars. The scissor doors, first seen on the Countach, have become a signature feature of Lamborghini 12-cylinder cars. The general technical layout of a 12-cylinder engine positioned in the rear also continues, though modern models like the Revuelto now include advanced features such as a battery pack. Throughout its years on the market, the Countach evolved through several versions, from the LP 400 to the 25th anniversary edition, solidifying its status as a symbol of Lamborghini's innovation and style, a car that would forever be etched into automotive history.